Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW Z4. First, make sure you have all your drawing materials ready, like a few pencils of different hardness and some good quality paper. We'll begin by lightly sketching the basic outline of the car. Pay close attention to the overall length and width to establish the correct proportions from the start. This initial step is crucial for a balanced final drawing. Now, let's establish the main features of the Z4. Carefully define the lines for the windshield, the long hood, and the short rear trunk. Next, sketch the prominent wheel arches and ensure the tires are correctly positioned within them. Don't forget to add the distinctive BMW kidney grille and the sleek headlight shapes. These elements truly capture the car's character. With the main features in place, it's time to add more detail and refine the form. Carefully draw the subtle curves of the body lines, the door seams, and the side mirrors. Pay close attention to the intricate design of the wheels, including the spokes. Finally, add the taillights and the exhaust pipes at the rear. These details bring your drawing to life. For the final touches, we'll focus on shading to give your BMW Z4 drawing depth and realism. Use varying pencil pressure to create shadows and highlights, making the car appear three-dimensional. Pay attention to how light hits the surfaces, adding reflections to the paintwork and glass. Take your time with these finishing details to make your drawing truly shine. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.